as he said, if one man craves freedom, liberty, he must remember that all other men long for the same freedom. Groups of such liberty-loving mortals cannot live together in peace without becoming subservient to the such laws, rules, and regulations as will grant each person the same degree of freedom, which at the same time safeguarding an equal degree of freedom for all of his fellow mortals. If one man is to be absolute free, then another must become a absolute slave. And the relative nature of freedom is true socially, economically, and politically. Freedom is the gift of civilization made possible by the enforcement of law, capital letters.
Now, why is that?